Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem Tankless water heater code 29 condensate drain troubleshooting. Fix 1. Reset the water heater. Turn off the water heater, then wait about 5 minutes. Turn the unit back on, then check if the error could disappear. Second one is clean the condensate drain line. Turn off the power to the water heater, then locate the condensate drain line. Disconnect the drain line if possible, then flush it with clean water to remove dirt or debris. Reconnect the drain line securely. Third one is check the condensate neutralizer. Remove the neutralizer if your model has one. Empty and standing water, then rinse out dirt or building up. Then replace the neutralizer if it is damaged or clogged. Fourth one is inspect the drain hose. Make sure the hose is not bent or pinched. Check that it slopes downward. Remove anything blocking the end of the hose. Fifth one is clean the air intake filter. Locate the air intake filter, then remove the filter, then wash it with water. Let it dry completely. Reinstall the filter. Thanks for watching.